Hi there. So today I will be solving the problem isPalindrome. Basically, it is a function that checks whether a string is a palindrome, and a palindrome would be a string that reads the same forwards as it does backwards. So in this case, race car would be a palindrome since race car backwards is still race car. Anyway, let's get started. So I'll start out writing a function isPalindrome, which takes a string. And one way to solve this would be to use string manipulation. So we could do string dot split, and we could split it by the letter, and this would turn it into an array as well. And then we could do the dot reverse method, and then we could chain on the dot join method. So once our word is reversed, we can join them by the letters again, and we can save this to a variable. Let's call it reversed string. And once we do that, we can return a ternary, and we can just check if the reverse string is equal to the string. And if it is, we'll return true, else we'll return false. So let's try giving that a run. So we can try the word race car, since we know that is the same forwards as it is backwards. And let's see here, I have a little typo. Okay, so that should work. Let's give that a run, and that does return true. So another way to solve this would be to use the pointer method. So let me comment this one out and show you. So again, it'll take a string, and so to use the pointer method, we would keep track of a left and right pointer, the left pointer starting at index 0, so the beginning of the string, and the right pointer starting at the end of the string. So we'll do string.length -1, and we'll have a while loop. So while the left is less than the right, which it should always meet this condition since the indexes are in order, we would check if the first character, so the string at the left index, is strictly equal to the string at the right index. And if it is, we will say okay, and we will move on to the next two letters and check if they are equal as well. So we will increment the left pointer by 1, so now it would be on index 2. So in our example, that would be the A in race car, and then we would decrement the right pointer by 1, which in that case would also be the second to last letter, A, and we would check if those two are equal and so on. So we can put an else statement here. So if we hit the first letters and they are not equal, then we would return false because there's no need to check any more letters. And if we get to the end of our while loop, that means that all the letters were equal. And if we had not yet returned false, then we should return true. And so I'll put a couple more test cases in here just to really test this theory out. CD, CBA, and these two should return true. And let's do one more, and let's try one that should return false. And so here we would want true, true, and false. Huh. Well, let's try testing that out. And we did get the correct answer, so yeah, that would be it.